10-point before purchase refrigerator. One. Size and capacity. Consider the size and capacity of the refrigerator. Choose the size that fits your kitchen and has enough capacity to store all your food and drinks. 2. Energy efficiency. Look for a refrigerator that is energy efficient to save money on your energy bills. 3. Type. Decide on the type of refrigerator that best suits your needs, whether it is a top freezer, bottom freezer, side-by-side or French door refrigerator. 4. Features. Consider the features that are important to you, such as an ice maker, water dispenser, temperature control, and adjustable shelves. 5. Noise level. Check the noise level of the refrigerator. If it is going to be placed near living areas, it should have a low noise level. 6. Brand and reputation. Consider the brand and reputation of the refrigerator. Look for a brand that has a good reputation for quality and reliability. 7. Price. Determine your budget and look for a refrigerator that fits within your price range. 8. Warranty. Check the warranty of the refrigerator. A good warranty will give you peace of mind and protect you from any defects or problems. 9. Reviews. Read reviews from other customers to get an idea of their experiences with the refrigerator. 10. Delivery and installation. Determine if the store or website you are purchasing from offers delivery and installation services, and if there are any additional fees.